Good morning, Savannah Oaks. Today is Wednesday, April 8th, and it's an A day. Your digital instruction tips of the day are about goal setting and emailing your teachers. So for goal setting, I suggest starting with a really small goal, especially if you're feeling overwhelmed. I think it's normal for us to feel overwhelmed when we get lists of things to do. So I would understand if some of you are feeling overwhelmed when you see your lesson plan coming out for the day. If that's you, pick one activity or one class that you're going to start with and don't even think about the rest of it. So maybe you're going to start with language arts. And if that's the case, then only look at the items that your language arts teacher is asking you to do. Then, when you get those done, celebrate your success before you move on to the next thing. Staying in contact with your teachers is important. We're all emailing all of you, and that's because we really, truly care. So when you get an email, please be sure to respond to it. If you're all good, just let us know that. You might say, hey, I'm set, thanks for checking in. Or if you need help and you haven't been sure about how to reach out, this is a really good chance to do that. So you might need help with your schoolwork, with technology, or you might just need another safe adult to talk to. And we're here for all of that. But again, even if you're okay, please let us know that. For Wish You Well Wednesday, I'm challenging all of you to do the gratitude ABCs. So you write down each letter of the alphabet and try to come up with at least one thing you're grateful for under each letter. This is harder than it sounds, especially at the end of the alphabet, because there aren't that many words that fit under Z. So I did an example of A and B. A, I'm grateful for the air that I breathe. And B, I'm grateful for Bella, my cat. So go ahead and give it a try. Have a great day, Savannah Oaks.